si John Beliescas, talagang defender of the Adventist faith ito. Kasi kanina ko pa nakikita yung comments niya. I feel that as a layman, I don't know if he's a layman or an elder, pero yung kanyang hermeneutics, kanyang defense of the law is...
Ito ba yung sinasabi mo?
Oo nga eh. Sabi niya, wala daw nakasunod. Tignan ang Revelations 14:12. Yan din dati pang kontra niya, di ba? Pastor Ron. So sa akin, make clear that yung commandments na yun, yun yung 10 utos. Kasi kung titingnan natin si John na sumulat ng 1 John chapter 4,
yes.
Diba? At saka ang sumulat ng Book of Revelation, malinaw sa context ng kanyang mindset, being a new creation in Jesus Christ, he's no longer referring to the old covenant. He's referring to the new covenant that is the testimony of Jesus Christ. Yun nga yung salvation power ni Jesus Christ. Di ba?
Amen.
We are they that keep the commandments of God and have the faith of Jesus Christ. So yung commandments na yun, clear in my mind when John talks about that commandment, it is the law of the Spirit. And
alam ko, tama po kayo.
Sige ba? Sige,
tama po kayo kasi ang sumulat ng Revelation, si Apostle John.
Apostle John, yeah.
Revelation 14:12. Kaso, itong John Beliescas, sinasabi ko kanina, brother, na ba't pa ako tuturuan, baka hindi ka pa pinapanganak, pinagtatanggol ko nito, Adventist ako. Ang point ko lang na ganito, hindi ko pa naiintindihan yan, ba't mo kailangan basahan kami? Hindi pa namin, alam namin yan. Kaya lang, naiintindihan namin, since si John ang sumulat yan, hindi 10 commandments yan sinasabi dyan. Na here are they that keep that. Hindi naman maisdita sa Old Testament ang tinutukoy niya dyan nasa 14:12. They are the patient of the saints. Hindi yan Israelita. Kung Israelita yan, panahon ni Moses, tama, 10 commandments yan. Kasi yan ang kasunduan sa Old Testament. Kailangan sundin nyo sa utos para kayo ay magkaroon ng buhay. Yan ang kataparan ng Old Covenant. Pero sa New Testament yan So, tanungin natin si John, huwag si John Beliescas. Pag si John Beliescas, 10 commandments kagad. Respeto lang sa Bible. Tanungin natin pa Apostle John, para sa iyo, ano bang commandments o sa Greek, entole? Entole to theos. Entole to theos. Sa Greek yan. Ano ba yung kautusan ng Diyos na yan para sa iyo? Kasi sabi na sa Batista, sabi dyan, John Beliescas, pinagbibintangan ka, 10 utos daw yan Ito, sagot ni John sa atin. Ang sagot ni John, kung ano yung commandment, ito, brother John you have to learn this. Ito, sagot ni John sa 1 John chapter 3, verse 23. And this is his commandment. Entole, si John nagsalita, na sumulat din ng Revelation 14:12. That we believe in the name of his Son, Jesus Christ, and love one another just as he has commanded. Whoever keeps his commandments abides in God, and God in him. By this we know that he abides in us by the Spirit he has given us. Ano yung pinakikip ng commandment? Na testimony ng John, Revelation 4. Si John na din mag-explain. Huwag kayong Adventist, huwag si John na din pag-explain ito. Igalang din naman ang Bible. Ang si John na nag-explain kung ano yung commandment, hindi 10 commandments yan. Ang commandment na sinasabi sa Revelation 14:12, na patient of the saint, they that keep the commandments of God and faith of Jesus. Ito kasi kayo ang commandments of God, may faith of Jesus Ito yung 23, that we believe in the name of the Son Jesus Christ and love one another just as he has commanded that. Tanong, kung 10 commandments yan, nasan sa 10 commandments yan? Believe in the name of the Son Jesus Christ. At saan sa 10 commandments, and love one another just as he has commanded us. Wala. So, hindi 10 commandments yung Revelation 14:12.
Yeah.
So,
to be fair,
alam ko, ang natatakpan na mata niya.
Yan yung, to be fair, to be fair, Pastor, to be fair, on both sides, we also have we keep the commandments of God and have the faith of Jesus Christ. The same as si Brother John Abe. However, sa kanya, he's 10 commandments. We're referring to yung believe in the name of the Son of God. That's the commandment we do. And we love each other as He has commanded us. So, ganun lang naman difference ang difference is they stick to the 10 commandments, and because Ellen G. White and yung it goes back to the investigative judgment, the Sabbath, di ba? Perfect.
Pero kung Bible alone ka, kung walang
Bible alone, ito talaga yun. Walang Ellen White.
Talaga si Ellen. Nagpagulo si Ellen White talaga.
Kung Bible ka lang, challenge.
Kung Bible ka lang, basahin mo lang yung paliwanag din ni John na sumulat ng Revelation. Wag si Ellen White, basahin mo. Wala pa si Ellen White dyan eh.
Correct.
Yung panahon ni John eh.